Hello everyone, it's Carolyn and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you'll consider sticking around and subscribing, and if you do, make sure that you leave me a comment all the way at the bottom so that I can get to know you. So today I want to talk about something a little bit different than anything I've ever talked about before, and something very personal, and that is my marriage and my relationship. And 99% of my subscribers and my viewers are women ages 20s into their 30s. And I know that from interacting with you guys in the comments and over on my Instagram, that most of you are in the same stage of life as I am, and that we all have young children. And even though I love this phase of my life, it is everything that I have ever dreamed of. It definitely comes with its hardships and its struggles. Having young children at home is exhausting. At the end of the day, I either want to pass out or I want to spend a little bit of time by myself. And that really doesn't leave a lot of opportunities to spend quality time with my husband. And that can really put a strain on your relationship, and there is nothing more important to me than having a happy and healthy marriage with my husband. So I have been looking online for creative ideas that we can use to have some date nights, because to be honest, the list of people that I trust to watch my children is about this long. So getting out to have a date night with my husband is a very rare occurrence. And every single article or blog post that I come across about how to have a healthy marriage emphasizes having regular date nights with your spouse. So I've been trying to come up with ideas on how we can do that from the comfort of our own home and have it not involve Netflix. So I was researching online. Most of the stuff that I came across was just super cheesy, stuff that we would never do. I'm not gonna lay in my backyard and look at the stars. So I came across an ad for a date night inbox on Facebook, and it really intrigued me. So I reached out to them, and they were so kind to send me the box so that I can try it out and let you guys know all about it. So it is a complete date night at home, and it comes straight to your doorstep in this little box. And what I love about it is it includes everything that you're gonna need to have a romantic date night, all from the comfort of your home. When your box is shipped, they send you an email to let you know that it is on the way. It includes a lot of information about your date, so if there's anything that you need to get in advance, you can get it before your box arrives in case you want to do your date night the day that it comes. And you also have the opportunity to send an invitation to your significant other if you want to make your date night a little bit more formal. So I am just going to open this up and go through it with you guys really quickly so that you can see everything that comes in the box, and then I'm going to take you along on my date night tonight with my husband as well. So when you open up the box, you're gonna see your date guide, and I have gone through this a little bit just so I would sort of be comfortable and know what was in it so that it wouldn't take me too long to explain it to you. So your date guide is sort of like your itinerary for the night. It takes you through, explains everything that is in your box, and lets you know all the activities and things that you're gonna be doing. So basically in this box, we are gonna start by setting the mood, and they always have some sort of scent to really help you get in the mood, get the romance flowing. So in this box, there is a room spray. I know sometimes they include candles, but I'm really excited to try this room spray. It's called Pure Paradise. And oh my God, that smells so good. I'm really bad at describing smells. Doesn't describe it on the bottle, but it smells so good. So I'm going to be spraying this all over our downstairs to set the mood for our date night. And then next on the itinerary is dinner time. So this date night in a box is a sort of Italian themed night of dinner and dancing, the classic date night of dinner and dancing. So they actually included some of the ingredients that you'll need to have a make your own pizza night. So I have here a pizza crust mix, I have a jar, whoops. I have a jar of Porzio's pizza and pasta sauce, and this is an award-winning pasta sauce. A chef hat. And then I have Italian spice seasoning and Parmesan cheese. And then included in the box is the recipe card. So with these ingredients, you can make a cheese pizza, but it also has 2 different enhancements that you can do. One with meat, one vegetarian. So we are definitely going to be doing one of the enhancements when we are making our pizza. And then on the recipe card, it also includes instructions for dessert and for a signature cocktail. So our dessert tonight is going to be cannoli dip. It says it takes 3 to 5 minutes, so that is perfect because we are going to be whipping everything up after our kids go to bed, so it is going to be a little bit on the later side. And the cocktail is a sparkling limoncello, which sounds perfect for summer, and that only takes 1 to 2 minutes. So that is perfect as well. We're gonna have dinner, dessert, cocktails. Sounds amazing. All right, so next on our itinerary is table talk. And it just gives you some suggestions on how to really focus on your partner and how you can improve your communication, things like removing distractions. It has some really nice ideas on how to do that. And then, okay, our activity for the night, or one of our activities for the night, dance the night away. So thank God we're doing this at home so I can close the blinds and no one will see, except for everyone on the internet because this is going on YouTube. So dance the night away, they actually have 3 different dance tutorials and in 3 different styles that we can put on our computer or TV, and we can learn some new dance moves. So definitely glad that we're going to be having cocktails before we start doing these dance moves. And then there's also a game called the 30-second date dash, and you score the most points by giving 5 answers before the time runs out. So that sounds like a fun game. I'll talk a little bit more about that later, but that's something even maybe we could do while we're having dinner. And then there's just a fun little quiz called What Pizza Are You? To end your night, take a moment to locate your What Pizza Are You quiz. Complete this lighthearted quiz to reveal what type of pizza you are based on this series of questions. So that's just something fun and silly to end the night. So that's going to be everything in the box. This is the quiz here. So I'm really excited to put my kids to bed, get my date night with my husband started. I'm going to be bringing you along, and if this sort of sounds interesting and fun to you, I do have an affiliate link. I am a Date Night In affiliate, so you can click that link in the description box. It'll bring you to their website and you can order a date night box of your own. They have so many different options. Date night like the one I have, they have Kids Night In, which is all about family fun, and they also have a faith religious-based box that you can choose as well as another option. So there's so many different options. There's definitely one that will be perfect for you. So again, I'll leave that link in the description box. If you're interested, you can check it out. All right, so the kids are in bed and we're starting our date night, and the interesting thing about the instructions is that it said that the person who doesn't normally cook should be the one to prepare the meal tonight. So my husband is making the pizza, I made the cannoli dip, and then I am going to get started on making our cocktail. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done.
dear sweetheart, there's something I have to say to you. Can't hold it inside any longer. These feelings I have for you. Every day when I see your face, my heart skips a beat and I forget how to breathe. I start to shake and my chest's gonna break if I don't get to hold you. So I just had to write this letter, 'cause girl, you're always on my mind. Nothing I have can make you better.
So thank you all so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed hearing about this date night inbox. I will leave my link down in the description box so you can check it out and hopefully you'll give it a try of your own. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you on Friday with a brand new video. Bye!
'Cause girl, you're